Hello and welcome to this episode, everyone. In this episode, we want to answer yet another frequently asked questions, which is, does the color coding really matter in crossover cables? In crossover cables, the color coding does matter. It's actually not the color coding that matters, but it is more the order of the wires that matters. So the order of the wires, the first color that's used on the first wire of the X side should be used on the third wire of the Y side. And the second color, whatever wire that we use, that is used on the X side, it is on the second place. It should be on the Y side on the sixth place. And basically the same thing. The first color that on the Y side should be the third color on the X side, and the second color on the Y side should be the sixth color on the X side. So basically wire 1 and 2, 3 and 6. Wire 1 and 2, 3 and 6 are important in straight through cables because they're mainly used for transmitting and receiving data. The other colors can stay the same way, can stay the same color, and it will not make any difference. As I said before, the standard, the color coding according to standard doesn't really matter. It is the order of the colors that you use, the order of the wires that you use. As we said before, the orders is that the first color of the X side should match the third color of the Y side, and the second color of the X side should match the sixth color of the Y side. That's it. The other colors you can mix, and you can use whatever color coding that you want to use. As long as you follow the order that I have described for you, you have created a crossover cable successfully, and the color coding doesn't really matter. But it's a good idea to always use the standard color coding schemes because it makes troubleshooting easier, and you also don't have to remember or memorize or write the color coding that you used on the X side every time so that you create on the Y side. Because once you create the X side, you have to remember what color coding that you used so that based on that you create your Y side. But if you're following the standards, it makes it much easier for you. That's it for this episode, everyone. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I will be very happy to answer it for you or make a video about it. Stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.